This episode of Photonics Hot List is sponsored by Metallark Optics, where they take on what others won't. Challenge accepted.
Hi, I'm Justine Murphy, Senior Editor of Laser Focus World, with a peek into some of the exciting things happening in photonics. Human brain-computer interaction isn't nearly as far-fetched as it once was, and researchers at the University of Glasgow in Scotland are proving it. They've shown it's possible to connect the visual cortex in a human brain with a laptop computer to perform simple computational imaging tasks. Working together, the pairing essentially can make hidden objects visible. The team's work involves ghost imaging, a technique that produces an image of an object using varying illumination patterns and can detect corresponding light intensity values. Cameras are typically used to detect those values, but in their study, the Glasgow researchers used the human visual system. This not only could detect visual signals, it also provided feedback in real time. In their experiment, the team projected flickering light patterns onto an object. The patterns were then reflected from a secondary white surface. The human subject's visual cortex could detect the reflected light's intensity values, which were captured as electrical signals, then processed on a laptop with an algorithm created to reconstruct an image of the hidden object. The researchers say their work is still proof of concept at this point, but it may potentially lead to human-machine interfaces in which the human eye could directly detect light signals and process the information non-consciously. Researchers at Osaka Metropolitan University in Japan are gaining a clearer understanding of the evolution of whale sharks, specifically regarding their eyesight. In vitro experiments using spectroscopy and molecular biological techniques, the team has been investigating how these now-endangered sharks are able to see in the dim light of the deep ocean by studying the genetic information and structure of their rhodopsins, which are photoreceptor proteins in the retina that sense light, notably dim light, via the conversion of photons into chemical signals. The researchers discovered whale sharks' rhodopsin can detect blue light very efficiently at low depths with 2 amino acid substitutions that shifted the light spectra that rhodopsin detects, making it more sensitive to blue wavelengths. The team also found that these substitutions correspond to mutations associated with stationary night blindness in humans. The mutations that occurred in the whale shark rhodopsin are harmful to vision, but found to be adaptive in the cold water of the deep sea. The findings are providing a better understanding of marine life and its ability to adapt and thrive. This may also someday offer deeper insight into stationary night blindness in humans, to perhaps treat such conditions more effectively. Claiming nearly 18 million lives each year, cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks are the leading cause of death worldwide. New technology could help lessen those numbers. Led by a team at Rutgers Robert Wood Johnson Medical School and University Hospital in New Jersey, researchers have developed a wrist-worn sensor capable of quickly and highly accurately predicting a heart attack. The new non-invasive device, similar to one shown here, uses infrared light to predict levels of Troponin-I, a protein found in the bloodstream when the heart muscles become damaged. It's typically assessed by drawing blood, but waiting for the lab results can cause delays in diagnosing a heart attack. This new wearable sensor could aid and speed up that process. In a study of more than 200 patients suspected of experiencing a heart attack, the sensor was able to predict Troponin-I levels with about 90% accuracy. While further studies are necessary before the device is ready for clinical use, the high accuracy it has already demonstrated shows early intervention and in turn better treatment outcomes are possible. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool content. Until next time.